Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a VR for Danielle, who is Pink Zebra, the Unicorn Crafter. She's hosting a Road to 3K challenge giveaway, and it ends on February 1st, 2020, and the winners will be announced February 2nd. This video, I'm featuring the Ballerina digital kit from My Crafty Boutique. So I hope you all give it a look, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all at the end. And this is the loaded bag that I made for Danielle. And first I wanted to show you this one. So I was going to gift her these stickers, which I still am, but this is too wide for my bag. So as you can see, it's not going to fit, and it's just going to get crushed. So I'm just going to leave it out. But this is the bag topper that I created with my Cricut, and also the love heart that I created. I shared in previous videos. This unicorn is from My Crafty Boutique here on YouTube, and this is her digital kit, and this is Ballerina, her digital kit. And I blew up this image from the journal card, and I just made it a lot bigger. Like, I think I blew it up to a 5x7, and then I just cut the unicorn out. Okay, so that is my bag topper. Finally, I have a way to create bag toppers. So you can see the little hearts down here, and it's double-sided, so it looks super cute. Okay, so what I put in her little loaded bag, I had the sequins mix. So this, of course, everybody knows this is from Louisa, who came up with this idea with the bubble wands. These are from Dollar Tree. I emptied them out, so I have empties, and then she just cut off the bubble stick and kept the caps, and that's how I'm using mine. I just added a little trim around to keep them together, and they're on there pretty secure. They're not going to come apart, but I glued some of my crepe paper trim that I sewed up with my gold thread, and of course you don't see it because I covered it with a pom-pom that I made for a while back. And the funny thing is, this idea is from Louisa from My Crafty Boutique, and I hauled this yarn and pom-pom maker from Louisa on a D-stash. So you could say this is a Louisa creation, idea, whatever, inspiration. So thank you, Louisa. I greatly appreciate it. So in here are the glitters that I used on the rosettes, and I have to show you that. Okay. So these will also be included to Danielle. These are the glitters that I used on my rosettes. I'm not going to pull them out because it was kind of tricky to put them in, and that's how I'm going to gift it to her. So that's what's in this little bubble wand. And then this one is some of the Tuesday morning glitter that I hauled just yesterday. But I also included some of the little teeny tiny hearts that I collected from my Cricut when it did all the cutouts. There's little teeny tiny hearts that are left over, and I kept them all for my confetti mix and also to put in her box. So that's what I got here. Okay, and while this is out, let me just show you. This is a candy gift box from Walmart. It came in a set of 6, and I got this like last year or a year ago, 2 years ago. Anyway, I'm just using this because she loves to say on her channel, stay magical, and I thought that was perfect. And it also came with this little stick back here that's part of the box. As you can see, it just slides in and out, and she loves unicorns, so I used that. I added my little love cutout and a frame that I created with the Cricut. So these two are from me. I created those, and I just added the to the back of the unicorn, and I thought that was cute. So that is going to her. This little heart that I created, it has a bunch of sequins and cutouts inside also, but it also has the little hearts from the Valentine necklace. So I just cut them apart and created little beads with it, and then I secured it with some washi tape, and it has unicorns on there. You guys see that? Okay, and then I used some of the twine from Walmart. This was from the Christmas, what is it called? the bakery twine, baker's twine. I grabbed 2 of these, so I use that to secure the heart. And then I use some of the conversation hearts that I picked up also from Dollar Tree. And then on the front, I use some of my crepe paper that I created and all of this. I shared this with you guys in a previous video. So those are going to her. And then I added a little goodie bag. Here I use some of the cut parts that I use from my Cricut. And then the only thing here is from Louisa's Ballerina digital kit. Is this teeny tiny bunny that I cut out from her digital kit. And the flowers I added behind the bunny. So I thought that was adorable. Okay, I put on here some cut parts from the paper collection paper pad that I've been using throughout in combination with everything. And then here is my Memory Dex card, and I added a charm with the yarn that I also hauled from Louisa. The only thing here is mine is the beads that I hauled from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. And then I just put them all together and I hung them out like that. Okay, and I already shared this with you all in a previous video, and she just opens that up and it has my information on the back. Okay, put that right back in the front. So I want it just like that. And then I have another goodie bag here. I just created this little paper clip, and it's an invisible clip, so you don't see the paper clip. Okay, and then I used Louisa's cutout from her digital, and a heart from Walmart, and just a circle from that I cut out with the Cricut from the paper pad. Okay, so that I have a bunch of my cutouts, die cuts that I created with my Cricut. So that's in there. I already shared with you this little wand here with the ballerina, also from Louisa's digital kit, with all the little glitter on there and the beads I hauled from Hobby Lobby. And this little smile sticker, I hope it stays on. I just added a bead to the top of her crown or her hair. And then I covered the back with another printout from her digital kit. Okay. So that is one wand. The second wand I created a while ago, and it's all from my stash that I hauled from. A lot of this I hauled from Louisa, from her D-stashes. So the paper is from her. Now the little darling is a cutout from sticker. I don't recall where I got it from, but the doilies are from Dollar Tree, and the paper is from Louisa, and the straw is from Dollar Tree. So I created this. The sticker right here is from Dollar General or Family Dollar, and I made this 2 years ago when I first hauled her paper pad because it was so pretty, and it looks so perfect here because Danielle loves unicorns. And it's funny, Louisa has a unicorn in her Ballerina digital kit, so it went perfect. Okay. Now the back of the bag, I added more goodies, and I'm wrestling with this thing. Here's another little baggie, and I just put a bunch of the hearts that came from the Dollar Tree, and also some heart confetti from Dollar Tree. So I put some in there, and here are some stickers that I hauled from Walmart, and I just added my little bag topper here, and some of the die cuts that I created with my Cricut, and that's what the back looks like. Okay, I'm just going to slide these back in here so I don't forget where everything goes. Oops, there we go. Oh, here is one more of my cut parts, Dollar Tree sticker with the bling, and then this is from Louisa's digital kit Ballerina. You can see how teeny tiny those are, and that is from one of her background papers. I just fussy cut the little image out. Okay, and in here in the back, I added another printout from her digital kit Ballerina. That's the bunny this time, and I made a frame with my Cricut. I just paper clipped them together, and I added some Dollar Tree stickers and sticker from Walmart, and I'm just gifting her some bling and some sticker words from Dollar Tree. Okay, let's stick that back in there. Okay, and then another sticker that I'm sharing with her, or gifting to her, is from Walmart, but look at how teeny tiny these are, and a little tiny love, and they're puffy stickers. Look at that, headphones and a microphone, best friends, a guitar. I love it. I love that sticker set, so I'm gifting that to her also. Oh, I'm sorry, shoot, another bag topper, another die cut that I created with the Cricut, and then here's the little teeny tiny ballerina from My Crafty Boutique's digital kit. That's Louisa. Okay. And last but not least, I made some frames, some toppers I put in here to share with Danielle. And then these are some of the frames that I created with the Cricut that I'm going to share with her. So these are double-sided. So this one has the gold pineapples, I don't know why. And then these are pink stripes. And here's another one that I created. It says, I love you, cut out in the frame. And here's that frame that I just showed you. And then here's a heart frame that I created. So I am just putting these all together, and I'm going to clip them with the bag topper inside the bag with this little clothespin that I got from Walmart. And it was several years ago. I don't remember when. But that is how I'm gifting her her loaded bag. Yep, it is loaded to the top. So that's how it's gonna look. I love it. Oh my gosh. It's a matter of putting everything back in. How I had it. I think these were in the front. Yep, these were in the front. So I'm just putting these all in here. Whoops. This one goes in here. If I can get it. There we go. This one goes in here. And that is it for my loaded bag. Guys. And you know, you're dealing with paper, so you gotta be gentle. You gotta make sure you don't break anything, tear anything. And that is what my loaded bag looks like. It is full. Plus I have this that cannot fit in there. I was really excited about the unicorn. I was trying to get all that unicorn goodie stuff in here, but there you go, guys. That's what I'm entering to Danielle's giveaway. So guys, please go check her out. It's going on still. Let her know I sent you, and thanks for watching. Bye.